Jamaicans love their fake hair, lace fronts, bundles, extensions, call it what you will. But imagine waking up to a world where wigs and weaves are banned. Sounds like a bad dream? Well, in Côte d'Ivoire, it's real life. Well, not nationally though. The 2025 Miss Côte d'Ivoire beauty pageant has made history by banning all artificial hair. No weaves, no wigs, no hair extensions. Just raw, unfiltered, 100% natural hair. And let me tell you, reactions have been hotter than a Kingston afternoon in July. Some are celebrating it as a move towards embracing true African beauty. Others, well, let's just say their edges are snatched, literally and figuratively. So what does this mean? Could we ever see something like this happening in Jamaica? And more importantly, should we? Let's dive in. The ban. What really happened? Côte d'Ivoire's pageant organizers say the goal is to celebrate natural African beauty and redefine beauty standards, basically encouraging women to embrace their real hair. Now, don't get it twisted. Contestants can wear their hair however they want, as long as it's theirs. Long, short, braided, shaved, natural is the only option. But hold up, how did this even happen? The spark came from Marlene Kouassi, Miss Côte d'Ivoire 2022, who won with her hair short and natural. Add to that, past Miss Universe contestants rocking their natural looks, and boom. Côte d'Ivoire said, "Time to set new standards." But not everyone is clapping. The streets of Abidjan are buzzing with debates. This is a win for authenticity. Why should a woman be forced to wear her hair a certain way? Next thing, they're banning makeup too. And some have a more practical concern. What about women with alopecia, cancer, or other medical conditions? What if Jamaica did this? Now let's bring this home. What if Jamaica pulled a Côte d'Ivoire and dropped a wig ban? Maybe for a pageant, or worse. In everyday life, boom, instant chaos. Women running through halfway tree, clutching their lace fronts. Salon owners protesting in front of Parliament. The price of castor oil is skyrocketing overnight. Let's be real. Jamaica and fake hair have history. From Michelle's 24-inch Brazilian bundles in Portmore to Shanique's cherry red synthetic wig in Montego Bay, hair extensions are part of our culture. But here's the million-dollar question. Does fake hair stop us from embracing our natural beauty? Some say yes. Natural hair should be embraced, not hidden. Others argue that wigs and weaves aren't just about beauty, but convenience, creativity, and self-expression. And here's a thought. Would banning fake hair actually empower women, or just tell them what they can and can't do? The bigger picture, is beauty a choice or a standard? Think about it. Côte d'Ivoire says they're breaking beauty stereotypes. But isn't forcing women to go natural just another type of control? In Jamaica, beauty has always been about options. We have women rocking natural hair, wigs, braids, fades, locks, and everything in between. Our beauty is in our diversity. Yes, natural hair is powerful. Yes, self-love is important. But shouldn't women have the right to decide for themselves? Because let's be real, no one bans men from their hair choices. No one is out here telling Rasta men to cut their locks, or balding men to embrace their chrome domes. So why do women always have to justify their choices? But wait, what if Jamaica actually did embrace a natural hair revolution? Think about it. Natural hair care businesses would boom overnight. Schools and workplaces might finally stop penalizing natural styles. We might finally say goodbye to, "You can't get this job with that hair, Miss or Mister." So, maybe Côte d'Ivoire is onto something. But does that mean we need a ban? or just better conversations around beauty and choice, here are 6 bonus facts you need to know. Fact number 1. The global hair extension market is worth over $6 billion. So banning weaves isn't just a style choice, it's an economic shockwave. Fact number 2. Some African countries like Rwanda have banned wigs in schools, arguing that young girls should embrace natural beauty from early on. Fact number 3. A 2019 study found that black women face more discrimination in the workplace when they wear their natural hair compared to wigs or straightened styles. Fact number 4. Côte d'Ivoire is the first country in the world to ban fake hair in a national pageant. Talk about setting trends. Fact number 5. The Miss Côte d'Ivoire 2025 pageant also lowered its height requirement and raised its age limit. More inclusivity, more vibes. Fact number 6. Marlene Kouassi, the 2022 winner, rocked short natural hair and still took the crown. Proof that natural beauty slays every time. So, Jamaica, what's the verdict? Should we take a page from Côte d'Ivoire's book, or should we keep things as they are? Drop a comment below. We want to hear your thoughts. And if you love this discussion, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more bold, thought-provoking, and sometimes downright hilarious takes on the world around us. Because at the end of the day, whether you're rocking a wig, weave, or wash and go, your beauty is your choice.